Cooking, so he chopped all the potatoes. These are going in the hall. Potatoes are going, they're almost done. Tortillas are going, they're almost done. These are the done ones. Hey guys, so I wanted to just jump in here and finish off the vlog. Everything started a bit later today because I had like an allergy. Something went on last night where I had hives all over my body. So I took medicine, and you know how that goes. It like knocks you out. I was so groggy all day. But we made potato tacos, and they were so good. And I make guacamole and coleslaw. Obviously, you'll see it in the video. But hopefully all is well with you guys and you're enjoying VlogMas so far. If you are, you know, comment down below. Let me know. Thumbs up the video so other people are able to find it as well. And I will see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.